Hello my dear students of class 5th. Welcome to maths class. Student, today we are going to start a new chapter number 3. Ways to multiply, add, divide with unitary method. Now, first we have, if the cost of one object is given, then to find the cost of more object, we multiply the cost of one object by number of objects. Dear students, if we have the cost of one object and we need to find out the cost of more objects, so what will we do? We will multiply the cost of one object by the number of total objects. Let's take an example. Here we have an example. The cost of one pen, we have rupees 15. What is the cost of 8 pens? Now what will we do? We have cost of one pen is equal to 15. This is the cost of one object, and cost of 8 pens we need to find out. So what will we do? We will multiply the cost of one pen multiply by total number of pens. That means the cost of one object multiply by total number of object. 15 8 are 120. So the cost of 8 pens is rupees 120. Similarly, we have another example here. A boy of class 5th has 10 books in his bag. A boy, एक लड़का है, from which class? 5th class. And how many books he has in his bag? 10 books. How many books 10 boys have in total? So how many books 10 boys have? So what will we do? One boy has books, 10 boy have books is equal to number of the books one boy has multiplied by number of total boys. So one boy has 10 books and total number of boys we have 10. So 10 multiplied by 10 we have 100 books. So there are 100 books in total. Okay students. Now second thing we have here, if cost of more object are given, then to find the cost of one object, we divide the total cost by number of objects. If we have the cost of more object and we need to find the cost of only one object, so what will we do? We will divide the total cost by the number of objects. Now let's take an example here. The cost of 5 exercise books is rupees 40. How many exercise books? 5 exercise books. Find the cost of one exercise book. We need to find out one exercise book. So here we have the cost of more exercise books and we need to find out the cost of only one exercise book. Then the solution is, we have cost of 5 exercise books is equal to 40 rupees and cost of one exercise book is equal to total cost divided by number of objects. How many books we have? 5 exercise books we have and the total cost we have 40. So 40 divided by 5. 5 8 are 40 rupees 8. So the cost of one exercise book. Cost of one exercise book is rupees 8. Okay students. Now next example we have here. The cost of 10 bundles of sugar cane is rupees 120. How many bundles? 10 bundles. 10 bundles sugar cane cost rupees 120. To find the cost of one bundle of sugar cane. Similarly, we will do cost of 10 bundle sugar cane is equal to rupees 120. Cost of one bundle sugar cane is equal to total cost divided by number of objects. So total cost we have 120 and how many bundles we have? 10 bundles we have. So 120 divided by 10 we have rupees 12. Okay. So cost of one bundle sugar cane is rupees 12 only. Okay, students. Now, my dear students, this is the homework for you. Exercise 3.1. I will explain all the questions one by one. After that, you can do these questions very easily. The cost of one bag is rupees 294. Find the cost of 12 such bags. If we have the cost of one object and we need to find out the cost of many objects, so in this condition we will multiply the cost of one object multiply by total number of objects. So the cost of one bag we have 294 and we need to find out the cost of 12 bags. So what will we do? We will multiply 294 with 12. Okay. Next question we have. The cost of one lunch box is rupees 50. What is the cost of 15 lunch boxes? Similar question. It is very easy. Geeta sold 5 dupattas in rupees 100. So what was the cost of one dupatta? How many dupattas here? 5 dupattas we have. And find out the cost of one dupatta. So more the price of more object we have and we need to find out the price of only one object. So what will we do here? Divide. Okay. Simple rule is here, that is if we have one thing to find out many things, so multiply. If we have many things and we need to find out only one thing, that it will be, there will be divide. So total cost 100 rupees and how many objects we have? 5. So we will divide it. Okay. A gatekeeper has a duty of 8 hours daily. A gatekeeper has a duty of 8 hours daily. So how many hours he will spend in 3 days on duty? In daily. Daily means in one day. One day he is on duty 8 hours. So then we need to find out how many hours he will spend in 3 days. So in one day he is spending 8 hours. So in 3 days how many hours he will spend? Okay, तो यहाँ पर क्या दिया है आपको? 1 day में कितना काम करता है? It is given. And 3 days में कितना आर काम करेगा वो आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके. Fifth question. The price of 14 books is rupees 224. Find the cost of one book. Now more object, the cost price of more object we have. We need to find out the cost of one object. Total price we have and total number of object we have here. Okay students. So what will we do? We will divide here. The last question we have. Amit reads 40 pages of a book every day. That means every day matlab one day. One day he reads 40 pages. So how many pages will he read in 7 days? What is the given? He reads 40 pages in one day. And you need to find out in 7 days how many pages he will read. Okay students. So keep practicing, and if you have any problem then ask to me. Okay.